The Motorola Moto G86 5G is a recently launched mid-range smartphone from Motorola, positioned as a successor to last year's Moto G85 5G. It was announced on May 29, 2025 and is expected to be released around July 2025. There is also a power variant, the Moto G86 Power 5G, which features a large battery. Here is a breakdown of its key aspects. Key features and specification: Moto G86 5G. Display 6.67-inch curved QLED display with a 1.5K 1220 x 2712 pixels resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support and an impressive peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 7304nm SoC octa-core with up to 2.5 GHz clock speed. RAM and storage expected to come with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and storage options of 128GB, 256GB or 512GB. It also supports expandable memory via microSD hybrid slot. Cameras: rear dual camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary sensor, Sony LY-TIA600 f/1.8 aperture OIS optical image stabilization, and an 8 megapixel 118 degree ultra wide camera f/2.2 aperture also functions as a macro camera. Front 32 megapixel selfie camera with f/2.2 aperture. Battery 5200 MHz battery with 33 watt turbo power fast charging. Note, the Moto G86 Power 5G has a larger 6720 MHz battery. Operating system Android 15 with Motorola promising 2 OS upgrades and 4 years of security patches. Durability: IP68 or IP69 dust and water resistance along with MIL STD 810H certification for military grade durability. Audio stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Other features: in-display fingerprint sensor, USB Type-C 2.0, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, dual SIM, Nano SIM plus eSIM or Nano SIM plus Nano SIM. Design beautifully crafted from premium materials with a slim profile, 7.87mm for the 5200 MHz version, 8.65mm for the 6720 MHz version. It comes in various Pantone validated colors like Spellbound, Chrysanthemum, Cosmic Sky and Golden Cypress. Expected price in India: the Moto G86 5G is expected to be priced around Rs 28,999 in India for the 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant, with the power variant potentially around Rs 31,999. In Europe, the Moto G86 5G is priced at approximately €299.99, around Rs 29,100. Reviews and impressions. Initial reviews highlight the Moto G86 5G as a strong contender in the mid-range segment due to its excellent display. The 1.5K 120Hz OLED display with high brightness is a major selling point. Solid build quality: the IP68 or IP69 rating, the MIL STD 810H certification indicate good durability. Clean software: it runs a near stock Android 15 experience. Good battery life: the 5200 MHz battery or 6720 MHz on the power variant provides extended usage. Capable cameras: the 50 megapixel main camera with OIS delivers good photos. Some minor drawbacks noted include the lack of a charger in some regions and average haptics. Overall, the Moto G86 5G appears to be a well-rounded mid-range smartphone offering a compelling balance of display quality, performance, battery life and durability.